Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
First, prepare the host and client for remote desktop connections. Enable remote desktop on the host running Windows 10 Pro or Windows 11 Pro. Confirm the account has a strong password and is allowed to sign in remotely. Allow inbound TCP port 3389 in the host firewall or change to a custom port and update rules. Note the host IP or DNS name such as 192, 168, 150 or host. Example, COM. Ensure the client device has the remote desktop app installed before connecting. On your client, open the remote desktop app or MSDSC on Windows. In the connection box, enter the host IP, for example 192, 168, 150, or the DNS name. Enable network-level authentication for a secure handshake before credential prompts appear. Enter the host username and password when prompted to start the session. Configure local resources like clipboard and drive redirection to copy files between devices during the session. Secure remote desktop by using a VPN or limiting access to specific IP ranges. Consider changing the default RDP port 3389 to a custom port and update firewall rules accordingly. Enforce strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication where possible for the host account. If connections fail, verify the remote desktop service is running and the host inbound firewall rule permits the chosen port. Test connectivity with MSDSC/V 192, 168, 150 and review network-level authentication or credential error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.